The world is changing faster than ever. How do we ensure we stay relevant in the face of constant innovation and change? To stay relevant, having a partner that elevates your career and your company is essential. A partner that helps individuals and teams unlock their potential, stay adaptable in a rapidly evolving industry, and remain anchored in excellence. Whether you're an aspiring professional or a leading organization, this is where we begin our partnership. For close to 20 years, Aventis Learning Group has partnered with organizations and professionals internationally to navigate change and build future-ready capabilities. With more than 100,000 learners, over 3,600 corporate clients, and thousands of programs delivered annually, we continue to help businesses and individuals stay ahead in a rapidly evolving world. We offer a wide range of learning solutions designed to meet different business needs and learning styles. From intensive one-day workshops across more than 300 courses to fully customized training programs tailored to each organization. Whether it's building confidence in leadership, embracing AI, or supporting employee well-being, we help organizations develop teams that are capable, adaptable, and future-ready.
I came across this workshop when I googled for courses, and I came across the topic is quite relevant to what I'm experiencing in my workplace.
It's very good, very positive, and I find that the course that I went is actually giving a very good impact on our daily life also.
Our trainer, Selena, she has vast experience. She has also shared very valuable information with us.
She's very innovative. She is very knowledgeable.
It's a good workshop to introduce to my colleagues.
I believe that learners have a very positive experience at Aventis because as trainers for Aventis, we're encouraged to create workshops that are very relevant to their workplace scenarios. So depending on the participants, I looked and I tried to customize to something that would really work well for them. People that I meet through Aventis come from such a wide variety of industries. So the conversations have been very, very enlightening, very useful, not only to me, but I think as we talk and share about this, it's been wonderful experience with everyone in class.
Beyond Singapore, we have supported organizations across the region and internationally. Here's what some of our global partners have to say about their experience working with us.
Tôi nghĩ rằng là cái kỹ năng mà tôi có thể áp dụng được ngay lập tức khi về văn phòng, đó là việc đào tạo cho nhân viên cái việc phân biệt giữa làm đúng quy trình và việc mà kiến tạo những trải nghiệm khách hàng xuất sắc.
Wow, hôm nay tôi được học giảng viên là lần đầu tiên. Tôi rất thích cái sự active của cô. Cô rất là một người năng nổ và mang cái sự thực hành đến cho tất cả học viên vào buổi sáng ngày hôm nay.
Being a part of the Aventis community, I would say that I feel privileged because I am exposed to various types of clients or clientele. And one of them, just like the workshop that I have today, is from an international client from Vietnam. And the chances of me getting a project like that, had I not been a part of the Aventis community, would probably have been very low. So I appreciate this exposure and this opportunity to be able to, do my little bit of contribution for another organization, through the learning, through the sharing. And I look forward to being a part of the community for a long time to come.
We don't just teach the future, we shape it. Through our exclusive expert sharing sessions, we empower our community to master the latest AI innovations and workflows to stay ahead in the digital world. Our ecosystem is built on a foundation of mutual success, celebrating excellence through our client and faculty appreciation awards and fostering a vibrant network of professionals. At Aventis Learning Group, we provide an Agentic AI platform that acts as a personalised coach for every learner. It goes beyond technology, delivering smarter, tailored support that can be applied immediately in real-world contexts. Aventis Learning Group, your trusted partner, empowering a smarter workforce.